Good day, everyone. Today, we will be discussing using the adverbs. Together, let's make learning English fun and easy. In a previous lesson about adverbs, we defined adverb as a word or phrase that modifies or qualifies an adjective, verb, or other adverb in a sentence. Now, let us check if you can still remember adverbs. Try to answer the activity about adverbs. Let us read the sentences below. Lito drives slowly. He is being distracted by the scorching heat of the sunlight. The brightly shining sunlight affects some people's driving. Gianna stays at home during noontime to avoid overexposure to sunlight. She played outside the house in the afternoon. How did Lito drive? Slowly. How was the heat of sunlight described? Scorching. How was the shining sunlight described? Brightly. Your answers are all adverbs of manner. Adverb of manner answers the question how. However, there are other kinds of adverb aside from this. Where does Gianna stay during noontime? At home. At home is an example of adverb of place. Adverb of place answers the question where. When does she play outside the house? In the afternoon. In the afternoon is an example of adverb of time. Adverb of time answers the question when. Let's do this. Read and analyze the children's conversation. Peter has been absent since last Monday. I wonder what happened to him. Has any one of you seen Peter? He happily ate pancit chami at our home this morning. I saw him in the playground actively playing sepak takraw yesterday afternoon. He quickly bought some cookies at the bakery this morning. I saw him near the basketball court during recess. Where did Peter eat this morning? At our home. Where did Joseph see Peter yesterday afternoon? In the playground. Where did Mary see Peter during recess? Near the basketball court. Where did Peter buy the bread this morning? At the bakery. Since when has Peter been absent? Since last Monday. When did Peter eat at Nathan's house? This morning. When was he seen near the basketball court? During recess. How did Peter eat pancit cherry at Nathan's house? Happily. How did Peter play sepak takraw at the playground? Actively. How did Peter buy some cookies at the bakery? Quickly. Let's do this. Read each sentence carefully and choose from the underlined words the adverbs use. Marie was born in Lucena City. This is an adverb of place. The old woman walks slowly. This is adverb of manner. I spent my vacation at home due to COVID-19 pandemic. This is an adverb of place. The grade for parents will render an intermission number in the General Parent and Teachers Association's meeting on Friday. This is adverb of time. We often see nurses and doctors in the hospital. This is the adverb of place. The school head welcomes the visitors gladly. This is the adverb of manner. Responsible learners fix their school things properly before going to school. This is an adverb of manner. The weather is fine today. This is an adverb of time. The children are actively playing badminton at the park. This is adverb of manner and place. My family goes to church every Sunday to pray and praise the Creator. This is an adverb of time. Let's do this. Use the appropriate adverb in the box to complete the sentence. Adverbs from the given choices can only be used once. Chiara cleans her study area so that her mother will be happy. Every day, she works on her written task blank. Quietly, she sings blank as she performs her performance task in Music 4. Sweetly, Johnny Marie, Chiara's classmate, shared her experiences during the virtual Kumustahan blank. Yesterday, the grade 4 learners happily joined the virtual Kumustahan with their teachers while blank. At home. Let's do this. Read each sentence carefully and answer the question in a complete sentence. The teacher observes the pupils carefully in the classroom. How does the teacher observe the pupil in the classroom? The teacher carefully observes the pupils in the classroom. Sophia speaks loudly during class recitation. How does Sophia speak during class recitation? She speaks loudly during class recitation. Mike expressed himself clearly during the presentation of science investigatory project yesterday. When does Mike express himself clearly during the presentation of the science investigatory project? Yesterday, Mike expressed himself clearly during the presentation of science investigatory project. Lester reacts reasonably to situation analysis given by the teacher. How does Lester react to situation analysis given by the teacher? He reacts reasonably to situation analysis given by the teacher. Andre prepares his assignment at the library. Where does Andre prepare his assignment? He prepares his assignment at the library. Let's do this. Use adverbs, adverbs of manner, place, and time in the box to complete the sentences. Santos' family goes to church religiously. They go to church every Sunday. They listen to the Word of God attentively. The preacher reads the Gospel clearly and loudly. Rosalia and Jonathan lead the praise and worship songs systematically. Josiah plays the organ skillfully. After church, they visited Quezon Park and have some fun. While at the park, Ginard saw and liked banana sold at the park. The whole family happily ate banana Q and buko juice while sitting on the bench. From the park, their family walked home happily. Let's do this. Choose the correct adverb to complete the sentences given below. Alexi went to visit her grandmother at Lucban, Quezon, blank. The answer is D. She blank approached and hugged her grandmother. The answer is A. Alexi mother cooks food for the family blank. The answer is A. Some children blank go from house to house. The answer is A. They joyously watch the live fishes inside the blank. The answer is A. Let's do this. Use adverbs, adverbs of manner, place, and time in sentences. Carefully. Mia carefully answered the activities in her English module. Neatly. Angela neatly arranged her books in her bag. Early. Lilia wakes up early in the morning. At the kitchen. Guinevere jumps at the kitchen. Today. The birthday celebration of Valentina is today. I understand that there are other kinds of adverb aside from the adverb of manner. I realized that the adverb of manner answers the question how. The adverb of place answers the question where, and the adverb of time answers the question when. I need to learn more about these adverbs for me to be able to use them properly in communicating with others. Thank you for watching. Till our next English lesson. Goodbye.